Darrell Harris with Texas Concrete Restoration. The P25 and D35 are just a nice system for me to use. I can use it for a lot of different applications. We have the system set up on this job here. We're basically running through about 4 bags a minute through the mixer and the pump. We're mixing and pumping the material into the building. We're running anywhere from 110 feet all the way up to 180 feet of hose. From there it goes into hippo mixers. Into the mixer it goes, and then we add the aggregate. It drills it up, wets out the aggregate. Once it's wetted out, then we dump it on the floor. When we are doing our infill, we're actually having to use some basically hand mechanical apparatus for it. When we install the base layer where we're infilling it, bringing it up close to elevation, it needs to sit for a minimum of 2 days. It sets up in 4 hours, can be walked on, but we need to let it sit for 2 days before we can cover it. When you install the self-leveling on the top of the surface, the neat cap, it's about a 4-hour cure time. It's walkable after that. You'll be able to see it go from wet, shiny to a dull, light gray cover. Once it's there, it's pretty much ready to walk on. The pump itself is nice because it pumps very easily compared to some of the other types of systems out there. It's capable of some pretty good output pressures. Have pumped as high as 60 feet vertical. Have pumped as far as 60 feet vertical and 300 feet horizontal on the same job. I just like them because they're very portable. They're easy to maintain, easy to work on. I can haul them in the back of a pickup truck. I can fit the pump, the mixer, and a small generator in the back of my pickup truck and drive to a job site to get work done without having to bring a lot of extra equipment. So we have the capabilities to actually get the material in fast enough to fill these kinds of projects. Where people that are drill mixing this, they can't think about doing a job like this. They would take twice as long as I'm going to do on this. I've got a 17,000 square foot project here where I'm going to get it done in 12 days. If I had to think about drill mixing all this, I would probably figure on being here almost a month. I can't imagine doing it any other way. If I have at least 1 pallet of material to mix, I take the pump and mixer to the job. So it's just that plain and simple. It just makes life much easier, much faster, and much more consistent.